Katika jua la asubuhi unatembea, mrembo wa wino, thamani yako ni dhahabu. Sauti yako ni nyimbo, inazungumza katika moyo wangu, unashikilia nafasi kuu.
Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl, the Song of Lawino. I know it's been long, but hey, Kasongo, yeah, story for another day. Anyway, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to do an updated house tour. A few things have changed here and there, just a little, but yeah, we'll see as we go on. So welcome to my channel. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe and share.
Inazungumza katika moyo wangu, unashikilia nafasi kuu.
So this is the door, the main door, the door to the house. Immediately you enter, you find these huge mirrors. Not huge, but it's huge. This is do it yourself. I did it myself. Then you come to this, we call it a wall of fame. There's my husband there, me and our family. And then there's another wall of fame here. I don't know if the camera person will show you, but that's all about the entrance.
Unacheka na upepo, unaleta neema, mrembo wa wino, umejaa uzuri. Kila hatua unayoipiga ni kama sherehe.
So after you enter the house, that's the entrance, that's the door. Enter, and this is my living area, sitting room. This is the place where a lot of things have changed from the previous house tour. Like we changed a few things. We changed the seats, changed the table, changed the music system, and added a new addition. Yeah, nothing much. So these are 6-seater seats, and this table that I got from Quickmart. And I won't say where I got this from because they've not paid me. Wanilipe na niseme nilinunua wapi. So this was from Pandamart. Yes. This is from Tao. Wale watu wanasemanga naogopa Luthuli, naogopa Luthuli. Mimi niko na plug. I have a plug in Luthuli. This is from Luthuli. This is from Luthuli. This is from Luthuli. The same person. So msiogope Luthuli sana. There's nothing. Hakuna wezi.
Katika jua la asubuhi unatembea, mrembo wa wino, thamani yako ni dhahabu. Sauti yako ni nyimbo, inazungumza katika moyo wangu, unashikilia nafasi kuu.
This is my baby. She's been with us for like 3 years. I love her so much, so fucking much. She's called Ace. Hi.
Umetaifisha maisha yangu kwa macho yako inayoangaza, inaota ndoto za upendo wa kweli. Katika mtindo wako, miale ya mvua, unacheka na upepo unaleta neema. Mrembo Awino, umejaa uzuri kila hatua unayoipiga.
Our balcony area, the last time we were here it was not made. It had nothing, like it was completely empty. So we've added like this swing chair, we've added the privacy fence, some flowers to make it look perfect. I don't know where I bought this from. It's looking like I don't know.
Ndoto za upendo wa kweli.
From the living area, you come to my dining area. It's a 4-seater wooden dining table. Nothing much about it. There's a portrait here that was made for us by Dangote Graphics. Then there's this huge mirror that runs from here all the way down. And a tray that has sugar, salt, whatever that is needed for the dining area. An artificial decor piece. Things that are normally not here every day, they're just here because the kids are in school, boarding school, so no one will break anything. Yeah, basically that's it. These are portraits also from my brother-in-law, but they are fading, so we'll need to change them. And this is my favorite piece.
Moyo wangu unashikilia nafasi kuu. Oh, mrembo Awino, nyota ya jiji, umeleta furaha. Umetaifisha maisha yangu kwa macho yako inayoangaza. Inaota ndoto za upendo wa kweli.
So this is my kitchen. This is our kitchen. It's an open kitchen. It's just a normal kitchen, nothing much. There's a cooker, there's a microwave, a fridge, air fryer, dish rack. Nothing special. I love my fridge. My favorite part of my house. But I'm still appealing to my husband to buy me a double door. I need a bigger fridge. And here we have like an extra water for the dispenser. We have uji from the village and avocado from the village too.
Maisha yangu kwa macho yako inayoangaza. Ninaota ndoto za upendo wa kweli.
This is the master bedroom. This side is the master bedroom. This is the kids' room, which I won't open. This is the guest toilet. Yes. So I'll just show you this side. It has no major change. It has just like one. From the previous house tour to this one, it has just one change. So come.
Katika jua la asubuhi unatembea, mrembo Awino, thamani yako ni dhahabu. Sauti yako ni nyimbo inazungumza katika moyo wangu, unashikilia nafasi kuu.